This right here is a lifesaver. I mean, it couldn't have come at a better time than right now. We are experiencing a massive heat wave. In fact, when I went to go press record to film that for you, guess what? My camera said, nope, it's too hot outside. I cannot film. So I had to wait and cool it down. So I don't know how long it's gonna be before it shuts off. And whoo-wee, right here, if you can see that, it says excessive heat warning in my area. This couldn't have come at a better time. Literally a lifesaver. All right, if you're camping and it is hot out there and you have a nice gazebo area and you just want to cool it down, obviously, first recommendation, don't come outside in the middle of a heat wave. Don't do it. Don't go outside. But secondly, it's summertime and you want to enjoy the outdoors, so might as well enjoy the outdoors and have a nice cooling sensation while you are doing it. That's why I got it, not because I'm stupid or crazy. Oh, okay, well, maybe I am, but we're not talking about that today. So really quick inside the kit, you're gonna get your misters. I don't like going into a ton of detail of what you get when you get, because you can see that on the site. I just wanna know if it works and how good it works. But really fast, I wanna show you guys so you can see the scale. So, get the misters, get the water pump right here, and you can see that that's a really good scale. And then you're gonna get basically the water basin or the water where you're gonna store that water. And this is a pretty good size kit. I mean, for a mister, it's gonna take a while to drain this. In fact, putting this in the sun, so if you keep this like in the shade or a shady area, whatever, it's not gonna get too hot, right? All right, let me come at you with a few specs of this little portable mister. And I do want to emphasize the word portable because it is completely portable. You can take it anywhere and you have an instant relief from the heat, right? And so that's pretty cool. But some of the tech specs right here out of the gate. So you do get two 3,000 milliamp batteries. So in real talk, that's going to last you about 6 to 8 hours of run time. So it's going to last you all day. If you're running this mister from sun up to sundown, you're going to have plenty of time on this battery. Now it's going to probably take you about 4.5 hours to charge. Something that's also pretty cool is that it doesn't give you any indication of how full the charge is, but once you turn it on, that means that is a fully charged unit. You don't need to charge anymore. If it's blinking blue, it means it has about half charge, and then red, it's about to die. So that gives you a good indication of where you're sitting, battery and power level. And one of the key features of this pump that a lot of other pumps don't have is this is a smart shutoff. So if you do accidentally turn on, or it actually comes on and there's no water, or the water level in this runs out, this is going to detect that there's no water in it, shut it off, and save it from overheating. You do not want to run this pump without any water going through it to cool down the pump. So yeah, that's a nice little safety feature that as soon as it detects no water, it's going to shut off, saving it from overheating itself. This right here is a 20-liter water bag. What that means is that this is going to give you enough water, more than what the battery can charge. So this is gonna last you a lot longer than when you need to charge the battery. So I'd say every time you need to pull the pump out, you're gonna know what your water levels are, and you're gonna need to know if you can refill it. So that's always good, that your water will not run out faster than what your battery can drain, because you gotta pull the pump out of here and check the water levels anyways. So that again is another safety feature, that this is not gonna ever be without water in your bag. Some of the other cool thing that it gives you is this connector right here, or this clamp. See that? It's a razor blade right here. So if you need to cut a hose and change, if there's ever a leak in it or anything like that, these hoses you can pick up in any local hardware store. They're interchangeable. You can replace these, but it's going to give you a tool to cut the hose anywhere you need to cut it. Now, I'm not going to cut it because I don't need to, but hey, these tools, regardless of whether it comes in this pack or not, these little mister things are notorious for getting clogged, and the mister is not working because of the calcium deposits in your hard water, especially if you're traveling around from campground to campground. You don't know what's in there, so I would highly, highly suggest that you use filtered water. But if you happen to have soft water, even better. So that's going to be awesome. It's going to save the calcium deposits on these nozzles and just extend the life. Hopefully these will last you all season long and not have to replace any of these nozzles. I know that when working with these, it seems like every year you got to test this. So again, best advice, fill this up with filtered water. Don't just go dump it in the lake. Well, maybe that would be better than some of the stuff coming out of your faucet. Don't just fill it up with dirty water, basically is what I'm saying. All right, let's get it hooked up. Let's get it started. Let's get it going so that I can stop sweating. All right, last little thing I got to do is I got to run these lines all the way through right here. And that's kind of cool because they give you these zip ties to help you run those lines as well. So let's get to it. A quick tip, if you are installing it to like an easy up or a canopy or something, use the actual attachment points, like the Velcro points. You don't have to have a permanent with a zip tie. And then when you get guys like this that are freely angling, you can angle it whatever way you want, and then use the zip tie, which is pretty cool because they give you right there where you can just throw that zip tie in to one of these holes, and then you can zip tie it at the angle that you want. I'm not going to zip tie it just yet until I get it started. And then I have this guy just dangling free, as it's gonna be closest to you if you are sitting further away or whatever, or you need to move this into any other spot like that. So whether you want a portable misting solution that you can take to the beach, the pool, anywhere, or you want a permanent one that you're affixing to a easy up or awning gazebo, it does come with this little attachment that you can hook the hose right into, and then you stick the misting hose right into here. So it does come with that for more of a permanent solution, and it also gives you some plumber's tape as well, so you can keep this from leaking in areas that you don't want leaking. Those are a couple tips if you're installing it to something. Obviously it's a mister, you're gonna be installing it to something, whether it's zip ties or using the existing frame that you have. Now let me talk to you a little bit about this bag right here. As I'm filling it up, this is holding the water really well, but the zipper portion, I must have filled it up a little bit too much because the zipper portion leaks. So that's okay. As we reduce the water levels in here, I don't think it's gonna leak, but just to know that it is not leak proof. So if you fill it all the way up, just know that these zipper levels, the water comes over into here. And so for traveling or whatever, if you're filling it up and then traveling, just know that maybe you should put it on a plastic surface or whatever as it rocks around. These zipper levels might leak on you right here. Now let's talk about quickly connecting this pump so that I can actually, get some relief from the heat. You got these suction pads right here where you're obviously gonna go and you stick this down. I'm probably gonna stick it flat on its surface like that so that I can get lower to the water level instead of up like that. So let's get this hooked up. Really super easy to hook up. You just take the end of the hose right here, into the misting hose, slide it through the bag so that we can seal that bag up. Take the pump, stick it in, and now we are good to go. Oh, instant relief. That's pretty cool. Instantly. It dropped at like 10 degrees, just like that. All right, one thing I did is it's hitting the top of the ceiling right here, so it's creating a pileup, and then it is dripping down right here. So that's gonna definitely need to be zip tied right there so that we don't hit that. These all set up. The cool thing is these are not as pliable as the hose. You can actually bend these, so that's pretty cool. So we got this secure with Velcro, and now we're gonna bend these guys right here. Just bent that right there so that it's not spraying the ceiling and it's coming down. So you can turn these any which way you want, and I'm still dialing it in so that I don't get my table soaked, but still have the coolness factor. So isn't that cool? Actually, I think they thought of everything with this little portable mister. So I love the fact that you can set it up super easy, super quick. I mean, the setup time on that was just hooking it up, filling up the water, and then stringing the line. Now inside of here, it has dropped 10 to 20 degrees from outside. All right, guys, I got a few more things I got to clean up. I got to move the bag onto the floor, onto the ground, and just some other things. But already, it literally has dropped like 10 degrees. And it keeps going. I mean, it is like better than an outside AC that's just gonna be only good for one person. Multiple people are gonna come in here and go, ah. So if you wanna stay cool and you wanna have that feeling this summer, then this might be for you.